The legendary Porsche 911 is now a hybrid. Porsche has updated the 911 for 2024 with exterior and interior improvements. But the main story is that the new 911 Carrera GTS now includes Porsche's most advanced performance hybrid powertrain. The new system, dubbed T-Hybrid, aims to maintain obedience to more stringent emissions rules while providing 911 enthusiasts with the driving pleasure they are used to. It should be good. It has completed 3 million miles of development testing and has already lapped the Nürburgring 8.7 seconds faster than the existing 911. So, let's begin today's video. Porsche 911 T-Hybrid engine and performance. The new T-Hybrid system is no half-baked effort, nor is it a typical series hybrid system like you'd find in a bog-standard family SUV. In addition to instantly powering up the engine's turbocharger using an electric motor, it also functions as a generator in reverse to recharge the battery. The engine's output is increased by more than 50 horsepower and a substantial 150 nanometers of torque, thanks to the second electric motor that is installed inside the gearbox and is powered by the same battery. This is roughly the same as the output of a mid-spec Volkswagen Polo. The turbo works to slow down exhaust gases when the vehicle is cruising, keeping the catalytic converter colder and contributing to lower emissions. The newly built 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder boxer engine, which produces 485 horsepower on its own, is linked to that sophisticated turbocharger. With 541 horsepower overall, 61 horsepower more than the previous Carrera GTS, the entire vehicle can reach 60 miles per hour in under 3.0 seconds, setting a new record. Furthermore, the hybrid system adds far less weight than a more traditional setup. Just 50 kilograms has been added, which for some 911 owners is basically a big lunch. An engine improvement has also been made to the base 911 Carrera. However, it is not as significant as the GTS. Its 3.0-liter engine features two conventional turbochargers, although they are the same as those used in the previous GTS, giving it a power boost of 394 HP and a 0-62 miles per hour sprint time of 4.1 seconds. Previously revealed testing mules suggest that Porsche is also developing a new Turbo S hybrid. If the T-Hybrid system's extra 56 horsepower is added to the present car's 650-plus horsepower engine, we might be looking at a 911 with more than 700 horsepower. New Porsche 911 chassis and suspension. Porsche has fully utilized the high-voltage design of the hybrid architecture by integrating its dynamic chassis control into the 400 system of the vehicle. This implies that it can be even more accurate and flexible, which should enhance handling when paired with adjustable suspension dampers and a 10mm reduction in ride height. Additionally, rear axle steering is now standard equipment instead of an optional feature. This improves the car's turning distance in low-speed movements, agility in rapid corners, and stability during high-speed cruising. In keeping with Porsche's usual extensive options lists, a total of 7 wheel types will be offered, with changing diameters from front to back, either 19 to 20-inch or 20 to 21-inch designs. The latter comes as standard on the Carrera GTS, along with bigger rear tires for better traction. 2024 Porsche 911 hybrid design. The 911 has undergone very few design changes since Porsche has been producing the vehicle long enough to understand that its owners are not particularly interested in revolutionary modifications. With new matrix LED headlights that incorporate fog lights and daytime running lights, the front end has been slightly more organized. This implies that the driving lights that were mounted on the bumper of the old car can be taken off to make room for bigger cooling vents that are active and can be opened or closed in response to the engine's cooling requirements. Optionally, you may obtain even more advanced matrix LED lights with over 32,000 light points capable of illuminating the road up to 600 m ahead, as well as dynamic cornering lights, particular lane brightening capabilities, and even a mode for driving around construction sites. Round the rear, a redesigned light strip still features the Porsche logo. Every model has a different exhaust system, and the number plate is positioned higher on the back bumper. Buyers can also select an aero kit, which includes a redesigned front bumper, side sill panels, and a fixed rear wing to replace the basic vehicle's active one. Porsche 911 hybrid interior. For the first time in a long time, the 911 Coupe comes standard with only 2 seats. However, customers have the option to have the rear seats replaced at no additional cost. There are a few minor, but not very significant alterations to the interior. A starter button, the 911's first, replaces the previous model's twist function. There is a new switch for the regular driver assistant capabilities, a wireless charging pad with a cooling function, and a new totally digital instrument cluster. Improved infotainment is also included. The 10.9-inch screen remains the same for operation, but it also boasts new connectivity options including video streaming when parked, deeper interaction with Apple CarPlay, and integrated apps. When can I buy one and how much is it? With a starting price of £99,800, the Porsche 911 Carrera is still priced slightly under £100,000. However, the Porsche Carrera GTS with T-Hybrid technology will set you back £132,600. The Carrera is available as a coupe or cabriolet, while the GTS can also be chosen as a Targa with all-wheel drive. For the standard model, deliveries begin in late summer and continue until the end of 2024. Finally, the Porsche 911 T-Hybrid is a stunning combination of legendary style and cutting-edge hybrid technology. The debut of the Porsche 911 T-Hybrid represents a significant step forward in the evolution of one of the world's most popular sports vehicles. It proves that performance and sustainability can coexist without sacrificing either. The Porsche 911 T-Hybrid is a living example of the brand's dedication to quality and its outlook for a more environmentally friendly future as it continues to develop and push beyond its limits.